Imagine walking into a kitchen bathed in warm light with the soft glow of candles, natural textures, and a space that feels both serene and inviting. In this video, we're diving into the must-have elements for a cozy Scandinavian kitchen this winter. Whether you're prepping your morning coffee or hosting a relaxed dinner, these tips will transform your kitchen into a haven of comfort and style. Stay with us till the end as we share practical ideas and inspiration to help you create your dream winter kitchen. Imagine walking into a kitchen that feels like a warm embrace on a chilly winter morning. The first thing you notice is the soft, natural light streaming in through large windows, casting a golden glow across light-toned wooden surfaces and delicate textiles. The air carries a subtle hint of fresh coffee brewing, and every corner of the room whispers comfort and simplicity. This is the heart of Scandinavian design, where functionality and warmth blend seamlessly to create a space that feels as inviting as it looks. In this video, we'll explore how to transform your kitchen into the ultimate cozy retreat this winter. Whether it's starting your day with the serene glow of morning light as you enjoy your coffee, preparing a hearty meal for loved ones, or winding down with the soft flicker of candlelight, we'll guide you through every detail. From lighting and storage to colors and seating, you'll discover how to make your kitchen the coziest space in your home. Stay with us until the end for inspiring ideas and practical tips that you can easily incorporate into your own winter kitchen makeover. Let's get started. Light is the heart of Scandinavian design, and in winter, it takes on an even more important role. Imagine standing in a kitchen bathed in soft, natural light, streaming through large windows. The pale winter sunlight dances across the surfaces, bringing warmth and life to the space, even on the coldest days. This isn't just a design choice, it's a way of embracing the beauty of the season while creating a space that feels open, inviting, and serene. To maximize natural light, Scandinavian kitchens are often designed with large, unobstructed windows. Consider using sheer linen curtains or keeping your windows completely bare to allow as much light in as possible. Light-colored walls and ceilings further amplify this effect, reflecting sunlight and making the space feel larger and more open. Shades of crisp white, soft beige, or even pale gray are excellent choices for creating that signature Scandinavian brightness. Furniture and cabinetry also play a role in enhancing the light. Opt for light-toned woods like oak, ash, or birch, which not only brighten the space but also add a natural warmth. Picture a wooden countertop glowing softly under the sunlight, or a dining table that becomes the centerpiece of the room, inviting everyone to gather around. Of course, winter days can be short, and as the sun sets early, thoughtful lighting design becomes essential. Layered lighting is a hallmark of Scandinavian style, blending functionality with ambiance. Pendant lights over your kitchen island or dining table provide focused light for tasks, while recessed or under cabinet lighting adds a soft, subtle glow to the space. For an extra touch of coziness, incorporate candles into your design. Imagine the warm flicker of candlelight on a windowsill, or a few scattered tea lights, adding charm and intimacy to a quiet winter evening. Textures also come into play when creating a warm, light-filled kitchen. Natural materials like wool and linen diffuse light beautifully, softening the overall atmosphere. Picture a woolen rug under your dining table, a linen table runner catching the light, or a cozy throw draped over a chair. These small details make the room feel more tactile and inviting, connecting you to the comfort of natural materials. In a Scandinavian kitchen, lighting isn't just about function, it's about creating a mood. It's the golden glow of a winter morning, the calm of a snow-covered afternoon, and the warmth of a candlelit evening. By focusing on natural light during the day and layering warm, soft lighting at night, you can transform your kitchen into a sanctuary that feels like a true escape from the chill outside. A clutter-free kitchen is more than just practical, it's a defining feature of Scandinavian design. In this style, every item has its place, and the space feels calm, organized, and effortlessly stylish. Imagine a kitchen where everything you need is within easy reach, beautifully displayed, and perfectly arranged. This balance between functionality and aesthetics is what makes Scandinavian storage solutions so appealing. Start with open shelving. These are not just practical for storing frequently used items like mugs, plates, or jars. They're also an opportunity to showcase your personal style. Picture neatly arranged ceramic bowls, glass jars filled with spices, or a stack of cookbooks. Open shelves create visual interest while keeping your essentials accessible. To maintain a clean and organized look, focus on a cohesive color palette for the items you display. Baskets are another Scandinavian favorite. Made from natural materials like wicker or rattan, they add texture and warmth to your kitchen while serving as functional storage for fruits, vegetables, or linens. Imagine a few woven baskets tucked into shelves or placed on countertops, their organic texture breaking up the sleekness of other elements. They're not just storage, they're part of the decor. For pantry organization, transparent jars with wooden or metal lids are both practical and visually appealing. Line them up on a shelf filled with grains, pasta, or spices. Their uniformity adds to the overall sense of order, and they make it easy to see what you have at a glance. This is storage that's not hidden away. It's designed to be seen and admired. But Scandinavian storage is not just about what's on display. It's about smart solutions for hiding clutter as well. Consider deep drawers with dividers for pots and pans, pull-out shelves for pantry items, or even sleek cabinets with hidden compartments for small appliances. This blend of open and concealed storage ensures your kitchen feels organized without sacrificing its streamlined aesthetic. Every detail matters when it comes to creating a calming, functional space. For example, hooks for hanging aprons, towels, or utensils can add charm while keeping essentials close at hand. A simple rail with hanging baskets or small planters can turn a bare wall into a stylish storage and display area. In Scandinavian kitchens, storage is more than a necessity. It's a design element. It's about creating a space that feels effortless yet intentional, where every item contributes to the room's overall sense of harmony. With the right mix of open shelving, natural materials, and smart hidden storage, you can transform your kitchen into a space that's as functional as it is beautiful. The color palette of a Scandinavian kitchen is like a breath of fresh air, calm, soothing, and effortlessly sophisticated. It's about creating an environment that feels welcoming and serene, especially during the colder months when we naturally gravitate toward spaces that provide comfort. Imagine a kitchen where every color works in harmony, from soft neutrals to earthy accents, setting the perfect tone for a cozy winter retreat. Start with the base palette. Scandinavian design embraces neutral tones such as white, beige, soft gray, and pale taupe. These shades create a clean, uncluttered backdrop that amplifies natural light and gives the room a spacious feel. Picture walls painted in crisp white, complemented by light-toned wooden cabinets and floors, creating a sense of openness and tranquility. To add depth and character, incorporate earthy hues and subtle pastels. Think soft greens reminiscent of moss, dusty blues that echo the winter sky, or warm terracotta tones that bring a gentle touch of warmth. These accents can be introduced through small elements like backsplash tiles, kitchen textiles, or even painted cabinets. Imagine a pale green vase filled with eucalyptus leaves, or a muted blue table runner that adds a calming contrast to the neutral tones. Nature plays a key role in Scandinavian color schemes, and incorporating natural elements is an easy way to introduce both texture and color. A few potted plants, fresh herbs on the windowsill, or dried flowers in a simple ceramic vase can add life to the space. Visualize the pop of green from a hanging plant cascading down an open shelf, or the soft hues of dried lavender adding charm to a corner. Textures also enhance the warmth of the color palette. Woolen seat cushions, linen napkins, or knitted throws bring a tactile quality to the kitchen, making it feel cozy and inviting. These materials not only add comfort, but also complement the muted tones of Scandinavian design, blending seamlessly with the overall aesthetic. Scandinavian kitchens avoid harsh contrasts, but that doesn't mean they lack interest. Subtle variations in tone and material, like mixing matte and glossy finishes or combining different shades of wood, create a layered, dynamic look. Imagine a kitchen island with a light oak countertop paired with a white painted base, or a set of matte black handles that stand out just enough against pale cabinets to make a statement. The result is a color scheme that feels cohesive and soothing. It invites you to linger in the space, to enjoy the calm it offers, and to make it your own. With neutral foundations, natural accents, and thoughtful pops of color, you can create a kitchen that feels like the perfect winter retreat, simple, elegant, and warm. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of the home, especially in winter. It's where warmth, comfort, and connection come together. Imagine stepping into a kitchen that feels like a cozy haven, where every corner invites you to sit, relax, and share moments with loved ones. A Scandinavian-inspired kitchen takes this idea to heart, creating a gathering space that is both functional and welcoming. Start with seating. A cozy corner with armchairs or a small sofa, paired with soft cushions and throws, can turn your kitchen into a retreat within a retreat. Imagine sinking into a plush chair with a cup of hot cocoa, wrapped in a woolen throw as the winter light filters through the windows. This space isn't just practical, it's a place to unwind and connect with family or friends. The dining area plays a central role in fostering togetherness. A large wooden table, surrounded by comfortable chairs, becomes the perfect spot for sharing meals or chatting over coffee. Scandinavian design often incorporates natural wood tones for dining furniture, adding warmth and a sense of authenticity to the space. Picture a table adorned with a simple linen runner, a few candles, and a bowl of fresh fruit. It's understated yet elegant, creating a sense of intimacy. Lighting adds to the ambiance of a gathering space. Pendant lights with warm tones hanging above the dining table provide a focused glow that feels inviting. Add the soft flicker of candles or a string of fairy lights, and the entire space transforms into a magical retreat. Imagine the golden glow illuminating the faces of your loved ones as you share a hearty meal on a cold evening. Personal touches make the space truly unique. Incorporate decorative elements like framed prints, handcrafted ceramics, or even a collection of your favorite cookbooks displayed on open shelves. These details add personality and charm, making the kitchen feel like an extension of who you are. A vase of seasonal flowers or a small tray of spices and oils can also bring life to the space, while staying true to the Scandinavian aesthetic. Comfort is key in a Scandinavian gathering space, and textiles play an essential role. From sheepskin rugs draped over chairs to knitted throws folded neatly on a bench, these soft elements make the space feel warm and inviting. Imagine sitting at the table with a woolen blanket on your lap, sipping tea as the world outside feels miles away. The beauty of a cozy gathering space lies in its simplicity. It's not about having the latest trends or extravagant decor. It's about creating an atmosphere where people feel at ease. With warm lighting, comfortable seating, and thoughtful personal touches, your kitchen can become the heart of your home this winter, a place where memories are made and cherished. As we wrap up this journey through creating a cozy Scandinavian winter kitchen, let's take a moment to reflect on the key elements that make this style so timeless and inviting. It's a combination of simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection to nature that transforms your kitchen into more than just a workspace. It becomes a sanctuary of warmth and comfort during the coldest months. From the soothing glow of natural and layered lighting to the functional elegance of organized storage, every detail plays a part in creating an atmosphere that feels calm and welcoming. Neutral and earthy tones create a harmonious backdrop, while small pops of natural color, like plants and dried flowers, add life and vibrancy. And at the heart of it all is the gathering space, a cozy corner or dining area where you can connect with loved ones and create memories to cherish. The beauty of Scandinavian design lies in its versatility and accessibility. You don't need a complete kitchen overhaul to achieve this look. Small changes, like incorporating natural materials, adding warm lighting, or rethinking your storage solutions, can make a big difference. It's about embracing the principles of simplicity and functionality, while infusing your space with personal touches that bring you joy. Now it's your turn. How would you add your own flair to a Scandinavian kitchen? Share your ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite cozy kitchen essentials. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, The Design Lounge, for more inspiring content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update, and connect with us on social media for even more tips and ideas. Thank you for joining us today. Stay warm, stay cozy, and happy decorating.